Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to edit text in CapCut. Editing text in the CapCut desktop app allows you to enhance your videos with customized titles, captions and annotations. I'll walk you through a detailed step-by-step guide to help you add and edit text effectively. Add your video clips to the media library and drag them onto the timeline. Navigate to the text tab located in the left side panel. Click on Default Text to add a basic text box to the timeline. Add a text box, label it Default Text, will appear in your preview screen and as a layer in the timeline. Click on the text box in the preview window to select it. Double-click inside the box to highlight the placeholder text and type in your desired text. Use the right-hand panel to adjust various text properties. Font, choose from a variety of fonts. Size, increase or decrease the text size for images. Color, select the text color to the contrast well with your video's background. Style, apply bold, italic, underline or other effects as needed. Alignment, set text alignment to left, center or right. Position, drag the text box in the preview window to place it in the desired location. Position, drag the text box in the preview window to place it in the desired location. In the timeline, drag the edge of the text layer to adjust its start and end timelines. Navigate to the Animation tab in the right-hand panel. Choose from In, Out or Loop animations to add dynamic motion to your text. Adjust the duration and intensity of the animation as desired. Make any necessary adjustments to timing, position or appearance. Once satisfied, export your video by clicking the export button. And that's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.